Alright, what's up guys, it's your boy Phillips POV here, and I got my BMW right here in the back. What I'm going to be doing today is showing you guys the exhaust sound on this 335. This is the N55 engine, and it has the single turbo, and I have a muffler delete and quad tips added to the back. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what it sounds like with a cold start, and then I'm also going to show you guys what a warm start is, and then I'll do a few drive-bys just so you guys can hear it. So yeah, let's just go turn it on right now for you guys. So there we go guys, that was the cold start. If you guys can see under here, I'll try to show you guys. I do not have any mufflers here or over there. No mufflers, just the quad tips you guys can see. Now I'm going to show you guys the warm start. So here is that. Alright guys, now that I have showed you guys the cold start and the warm start, I'm going to go to a different location that's not in my neighborhood, and I'm going to give this a few revs, and then I'll do a few drive-bys just so you guys can hear the sound when I'm driving. And yeah, let's cut right to that. Hopefully you guys did enjoy today's video with my BMW E90, listening to the sound of the exhaust. If you guys do want to see any more videos related to this car, anything really about BMW E90s, I can probably make any video you guys would like. Just comment down below and I will do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.